Hi guys, how are you all doing? It's finally that month of the year that we will be going back to India, and before going back to India there is a hell lot of work to do. We have to make sure the hostel clearance before we go, so we have to clean everything. We can pack our luggages in this bag and this cupboard only. We have to not leave anything outside, and you can see the current condition of my room. It's literally messed. Everything is still intact. Have to clear all of these things and pack it back. Before starting to clean, let me just quickly freshen up because I woke up literally late today because it's gonna be a very long day. And this is my favorite face wash. This is from Farmstay. I think you have seen in most of my videos saying about this Korean brand. I just loved it because it's very good for oily skin. I got freshened up now and I have washed my shoes yesterday night. I hope so it dries before tomorrow morning. So let's get started with the packing and the cleaning. So these are my shoes. I hope so it dries. Now let me start my packing, and there are a lot of clothes which I have been used this 2 weeks, and I have not given that to laundry because there is no laundry provided. So I just literally packed all the clothes which I have used in a separate cover so that it does not get mixed with the washed ones. I completely made it into a big cover and I kept it inside the bag because there is no place inside the cupboard to keep, so I packed it inside this huge bag. That one is done. I have to take the buckets and tub that is in the washroom and also pack those in this bag. I literally don't have space in my bag because it's like completely filled, so I'll keep in my roommate's bag. I don't know how did she organize into so much less spaced bags, and she fitted everything in her cupboard. Mine is like literally my cupboard is filled and it doesn't have place, and the leftover place is like for my dolls. So I don't have place in my cupboard, so I'll just use her Osh bag. I'll just message her, drop her message that I have kept my things in a bag. That would be done. So let's do that. I took all these buckets and I kept it over here so that before keeping it inside, I'll take all the utensils and the glass items that I have and I'll keep it inside this bucket so that it doesn't get damaged while they're moving due to cleaning. So I took this and I placed it in her bag, and I also kept all the kitchen items like utensils and also some things which are left over in the fridge, like some kinds of sauce and other some masalas which was left over. I kept all inside this and it was already done, and that was the bag that I'll carry that to the airport. And I was lifting this bag and it felt so heavy that I was not able to lift, and but finally at last I was able to lift it. And after keeping this I was literally tired and literally tired. This is the puja space. I kept this puja photo in my cupboard and I just cleaned it up so that it would be easy for me to make sure everything is there. And this is like the cupboard on top of this fridge. I literally cleaned everything, and some of the things which my roommate left over I just kept it in her bags, and the rest things which I have to be thrown I throwed, and next I just kept the things which can be, and maximum of the things I throwed because it is of no use before the time we come. And I even cleaned my bedside completely, and I drank little water because I was literally tired from morning. Without having any food I was literally cleaning my whole room, and finally it was coming to a end, not to an end, but it was giving a clear picture of literally what I am doing and what I can keep my room at the best before living, so that no things will go lost. And so many things which I had to clean I just cleaned, and I also took so many things out. So that was a very hectic job because every year before going to India we are supposed to take all our things and keep it in the same way for the rest 4 years. I also dismantled this uh, fan. I took the fan, I also took out the wings of the fan, and I safely folded it, and I kept inside a cover, and I just packed it inside the same bag which I kept all the things. So half of my work, which was mainly thing, was done, and the things which I have to take to India are left over. So before that, I'm literally hungry, so I thought I'll go down to have lunch, and I'll call my hostel mama to take the hostel clearance slip also. I called her in this room. She was there. I called her. She told yes, she'll be coming to the reception. So I went to the reception. You can see here. I gave her my room number, my name, and I told that I'll be vacating tomorrow. Since she told, okay, you sign it over here. Then I came back to lunch, and I had this day for lunch. I must be thinking like, what am I doing getting ready? But literally, the last minute shopping, which I literally forgot. There is things. There are so many things that I forgot to buy. So I'm going to get those things now. It's like a little bit last minute hurry, a quick stops to all the stops that I have to go. So it will be a last minute shopping. While we were shopping, I saw this chocolate filled with strawberries. It was so yummy, and I wanted to eat this, so I took those while going on the road. And we went to this mall. We saw there was a huge concert based on something Coca Cola. There was a huge concert which was going on. All I saw this beautiful like London bus which was there over here. It was so attractive, so we went over there. We all just saw. We did not eat anything over there. We saw this concert for some time. It was so good. They organized a concert, and we were so hungry. It was already night time, around 6 or 7 o'clock. We thought we'll have something before we go to hostel because we are not ready to eat the same thing. And at night there was a DJ night which was going on here. We did not stay for much long because our hostel closes at 9:30. We were getting late, so we left from here, but it was very amazing to watch. Literally, I'm back from shopping, and it literally took a lot of time. After completing my last minute shopping, I literally packed everything into this bag, like the dry fruits, hazelnuts, and some kinds of perfume which I took for my family. And this thing which you're seeing there, the wet wipes, it's for my mom. She loves it, so I took it. But I literally forgot the chocolates. But last minute I packed it also, and I also packed a small bag. It has my clinical training scrubs. I've completed all the packing, and all the cleaning is done, and all that is left is just to clear the hostel, and everything is already done. I took the hostel clearance slip, and everything is done. Just I have to give those slip, and while I'll be leaving to India, and perfectly. And for now, I'm done, and I'm literally tired for the day. This day was literally completely full. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon in my next video. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.